Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Let's Speak in English. Day 6 of English speaking. Let's make day 6 fun and exciting with an interesting topic that also improve your speaking skills. Today we talking about how to express your thought about your favorite movie. Talking about your favorite movie is a great way to express your thought, practice vocabulary, and sound natural in conversation. First of all, I suggest you some sentence or phrases that help you to express your thought while you telling about your favorite movie. So, first phrase or sentence you can use my favorite movie is. After that you can add movie name. What is your favorite movie? And next sentence or phrase you can use during expression of your thought for your favorite movie is I love this movie because. After that you add your view on the movie. And next one you can use the story is about and you tell about the story when you're expressing. And next one you can talk about its stars and you can tell about who is actor or actress in the movie. And next one you can use I watched it on internet or television or in cinema, you can tell about that. You can make a short paragraph and write about your favorite movie. Then you express your thought and try to speak in English. While you speak, you can record yourself and listen it again and check that what mistake you done during talking in English. I suggest you how to express your thought about your favorite movie. For example, my favorite movie is Inception. It is a science fiction movie. The story is about dreams and reality. I love the twist in the movie. Leonardo DiCaprio is the actor in the movie and I watched this movie on internet. Let's we have mini conversation for speaking practice. What is your favorite movie? My favorite movie is Inception and this is a very entertaining movie. Okay. Why do you like it? I like this movie because it's about a science fiction. Okay. And it's tell about dreams and reality. It's very interesting movie and I love that. Oh, that's great. Who is your favorite character? My favorite character in the movie is played by the actor Leonardo DiCaprio. This is very interesting movie and very entertaining. That's why I like it and I watched it many times as well. Oh, that's nice. And you can do the short conversation practice like this one. Oh, thank you for asking about the movie. Thank you so much. Hopefully you find this video is an interesting for you. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. If you like this video, you can subscribe the channel as well.